Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to get the input inside the constructor. So, get the input inside the constructor. So, constructor runs automatically when an object is created. So, if you write input statements inside constructor, then whenever we create an object, the constructor will run and it will automatically ask the user to enter the values. Why do we take input using constructor? So there are four simple reasons. First one we can say is to initialize the object directly with user input. That is the first one. Second, we can write the clean code. And third one, which is easy for beginners. Just create an object, it automatically asks for the details. And the fourth one is to avoid the uninitialized objects. So these are the primary reasons why do we go for getting the input value inside the constructor. Okay. In simple statement, I can say that input inside constructor means getting values from the user at the moment an object is created. Okay. Now let's write the program for that. So here first I'll create an object for the scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. I'm going to get the student's details from the user. Okay. So I'll create a class called student. The class name I'm going to give it as student. Okay. Now I'm going to give the properties. So which is like string name, int age, and department of the student. Okay. Now, so I'm going to create an object. So I'm going to pass the scanner class object to the constructor. So here student s1 equal to new student, where I'm going to pass the scanner class object as the parameter. So here whenever I'm writing the constructor, okay, it will be like student, because constructor name should be same as the class name, and here I'll give scanner sc. Now I'll get the student one details inside the constructor. So I'll give system.out.println, enter the name. So here name is equal to sc.next line. Next I'm going to get the age. System.out.println, enter the age. Then age is equal to sc.next int. Next I'll give new line, because after getting an integer value, a new line will be stored in the buffer memory. Whenever we are getting string, we might face some issues. So I'll give sc.next line. Okay. So system.out.println, enter the department. So I'll get the department from the user, sc.next line. Fine. I've got all the input values from the user. So whenever I'm creating an object, okay, I'm passing the scanner class object as the argument. Scanner class object as the parameter. So automatically constructor will be called, it goes here, it gets the input value from the user. Okay. Now let me print and check whether the details are given correctly or not. Let me create one more object. Student s2 is equal to new student sc. So here I've created two objects. So for those two objects, scanner class object is passed as the parameter to the constructor. Now I'll get the input values. After that I'll print the student details. So I'll call the method display with the help of the object s1 and s2 both. Okay, let me define the method called display. That is why I'm getting an error here. Let me give void display. So I'm just going to print the student's detail, right? So I'll give system.out.println name. Along with name, I'll give age, and then with the space, I'll give their department. That's all. So here a display method is called with the object s1 and s2. So both will get printed. Let me run the code now. See, enter the name. I'll give the name as Tamil. Age 27. Department IT. Next, Venki. Age 27. Department ECE. See, Tamil 27 IT, Venki 27 ECE. So we have got the input values, and the scanner class object is passed as a parameter through the constructor, and we are getting the input value inside the constructor. Okay, that's all.